While Junior's doing that one, I'm going to get cracking with this. This is more of a standard YFM 700R. This has also been sitting for a while in, unfortunately, a rather wet garage, so she has got corrosion all over. Look at all that. What a shame. We're going to get all that cleaned off. All these brackets, they will be red rusty in no time, so we're going to get all that cleaned off, get that chain all minted up. We're going to get some XCP corrosion protection on it, get it all misted, all this engine, make sure it's properly protected, and should neutralize any corrosion on there and prevent any further. Let's get cracking. Okay, second one of these Raptors is now complete and looking freaking sweet. This has also had one of our full Monty specials. This has been meticulously cleaned, degreased. Unfortunately, these had quite a bit of corrosion on them as they had been sitting in a rather damp garage, but we have done what we can. I polished up all these axles. Luckily, these are not chrome, so they come up pretty good. That was thick corrosion on those axles, so we've scrubbed those, polished them. Everything's been XCP'd afterwards. I've polished that swing arm up the best I can. All that rusty old chain lube's been removed, re-lubed back up. All these brackets and springs have all had a nice coating of the XCP as well as the exhaust. Unfortunately, this exhaust I cannot polish. I've never had an exhaust I can't polish. I don't know whether it's just poor materials or something's been used on it previously, but I've done what I can. All these brackets have all had extra XCP on them, all up underneath. We touched up a few little scratchy bits on the black bars. Looking sweet. That is us done for the day. Don't forget, we are open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.